Learn German with Priya. Now in this lesson we are going to study what are the instruments called in German language. So let's start. So piano is called as Klavier. Klavier. Guitar is called as Gitarre. Gitarre. Violin is called as Violin. 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 Drums are called as Schlagzeug. 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 Flute is called as Flattern. 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 Harp is called as Harfe. Harfe. Trumpet is called as Trompete. Trompete. Cymbal is called as Becken. Cymbal is called as Becken. Becken. Cymbal is called as Becken. If you like my video, please subscribe to my channel, and to get notified, please press the bell icon. If you have any doubts, please feel free to ask in the comment section. Thank you.